We came up with the name PG Productions because their youth community center is called St. Peter's and ours is the G Center. So we just came up with PG Productions.
Boss, how long is this going to last for?
Listen, they'll be here shortly. Calm down.
Rev, are we here yet?
Just cool out. We're almost here. It's going to be a great experience.
Yeah, this was a long journey, man.
That guy down Ainge Leg, and son, you probably have the ugliest toes I've seen in my life.
It's been good, but it's been long, but it's going to be just a phenomenal time to connect with other people.
Is the food good? The food good?
They say it's different. They say it's not as spicy.
Oh.
Is that my cousin? Is that your man?
What's up, y'all?
My apple one's great.
Kate me live falcha. Wait there. Hey, it's nice.
Who's that?
Ah, thank God they're here. Oh, there's Reverend Grayson.
Oh my God, I've seen him before.
What the flip-flops on him?
He must be loaded.
Dag, I really knock all of them out. Something crazy, alright?
Who are these people?
Dang, who let them smoke?
Ah, man, it's so exciting to be here. I'm looking forward to just exchanging different cultures and opportunities and personalities and inner city kids from Ireland versus inner city kids from the Hill District of Pittsburgh. Looking forward. Yeah, this is good.
I'm excited to meet new people, make new friends, and hear how they talk because I know they got different accents from us. And I'm very excited to learn more and learn their history.
I'm very excited to work with youth from a different culture. I work with the kids at the Grayson Center, so it's a very great experience to work with the Irish children.
Hey, is that my cousin?
My tablet just died and I'm tired. Dang, are they gonna be cool?
Do I have to interact with them?
Who are they? What are they doing here?
What's up, y'all? How you doing?
What's up? Reverend Grayson, you're very welcome. Thank you very much for coming, sir. Guys, you're very welcome.
Yo, Daggy, this is gonna be proper awkward, man.
It's gonna be weird.
Bro, I don't even know about this.
Yeah, bro, it seems a little weird.
I don't know, lads. I think they could be dead on.
Yeah! I came in there, my dirty work, man. Now it's yours. Is the Wi-Fi down? Look at that spider.
Game begin.
The Wi-Fi's down.
Lots of crack.
What's up, y'all?
What's hot now?